What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you on how to pan a texture across the surface. It's going to be a very easy video to follow, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is of course create a new material. And let's name this something as m_used, I don't know, pan texture, right? With that said, let's open this up. And over here we can see that we have the graph. And let's go ahead and use dragging a texture. So let's right click, search for texture sample. And let's connect this to the RGB so we have a base color. Now of course we don't have any texture selected, so we have an error. So let's just go here and select one. I think that we have one for water. Yeah, well I have pearly mask. Okay, so that'll work. That's basically like some noise. I think I also have the noise itself. Yeah, I have also noise. And also, but I think I have water, which I think looks better. Yeah, I have water. Okay, this will work. So basically what I can do is essentially pan this around. So if I right click and get this panner node, okay, I can change the UVs and make it, you know, pan around. So I can plug that into the UV section. Okay, and over here you can see that I have two, you know, parameters, the speed X and Y. So if I put here like 2, you can see that boom, it's just spinning like crazy. Right? If I put 1, it's a bit less. So let's put like 0.1. As you can see right now, is spinning, which is pretty cool. So if I was used to apply this, go here and I don't know, drag this to here. I mean, because it's a cube, you can see it's a bit weird. But look, let me get this right, lower this, and drag it. You can see that we have, you know, kind of like a river flowing, right? I mean, I'm gonna say that this material is not very good, but you know, you get the idea, right? It's just making a texture pan, and of course you can use whatever kind of thing you want. It doesn't only need to be for water. It can be for, you know, like whatever. It could be for like a sign just going up crazy, right? I don't know why I have so many of this crazy rubbish textures. Like, look at this. But yeah, I mean, for example, cube, right? You can see that now. Well, right now it's very big, so we could also change the coordinates and so on, right? To change the tiling. But well, you get the idea, right? You can basically use whatever you want. So, for example, look, yeah, let's take the camera. You can see it's very big, so I can add a texture coordinate node, plug that into coordinate, and then put this to 0.3 and 0.3, and now you can see that it's well, sorry, that's actually make it bigger. So it's 2 and 2. There we go. Now it's smaller, but it has to be even smaller. Like that's 10 and 10. Yeah, there we go. So now as you can see, you start to get a lot of different textures, and also they go a bit slower because we have more, you know, amounts of it. So let me just change this to like 1, and there we go. So as you can see now, we have like a lot of this cool camera images just panning around, and this can be very useful for, you know, things like commercials in like a cool futuristic city, or you know, like I show you with the rivers, or any similar thing, you know, that also like not textures like this, but also like, you know, textures that can blend, right, and create a cool transition. Also we can apply another speed on the Y. You know, we can go up as well, and yeah, it looks pretty cool. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it. You can like video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 videos and tutorials, so check them out. Profiles are in the description. Join my Discord server, and now yes, with all said, bye bye.